Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy today because I'm going to show you this platform right here. So I want you to take a closer look on this platform and you can see how much this guy just received $200 2 hours ago. So this guy received $200 just 2 hours ago, and you can see $100 3 hours ago, $100 12 minutes ago. Up to now, he has just raised almost $200,000 on this platform. Now I'm gonna tell you the secret. Why is it so hard that you're trying so hard to get financial help online, but you never received even $1 online? There are a lot of people, they've been trying this for more than 2 years now. They have been posting, they've been joining to different platforms to ask for financial help, but up to now it has been 2 years, it has been 3 years without any result. So I'm gonna show you how to ask for financial help and how people can really trust you and start donating money for you, just like this guy. This guy has just received more than 200k just from these platforms, and it's also possible for you. If you're going to listen to this video, I'm pretty sure that you are also going to be in a position to start receiving this amount of money that you want. It can be you want $200 for school fees, it can be you want $500 for medical attention. It doesn't matter how much you want. You just have to follow this rule to make sure that you start receiving donation, you start to receive financial help from different people around the world. So this is what you have to do. Alright, so this is our rule number one. Every time that you go to this website and you start to ask for donation, it can be you want money for school fees, medical attention, or to celebrate with the family and all that. So all you want to do right now, you need to start with who you are. You don't have to start with your problem like I am sick or that. No, you just have to start with who you are. People, they need to know who you really are, so you have to explain yourself like who you really are. That's the first thing. Before anything, before begging for money, before asking for money, just explain who you are. You can start with your name, and I'm gonna say this. You can start, just if it was for me, I could have just said my name is Hans David and start with your problem. So you just have to start with your name first. People, they need to know who they're reading the story about. Rule number two, you have to explain what happened to you. So after saying your name, you just have to come forward and explain what really happened to you. So as for me, I could have just said that my name is Hans David. So after explaining your name and where are you coming from, right now you have to start to explain like what really happened to you, so that you end up on this platform asking for help. So I could say that maybe I am sick right now, so I can say my name is Hans David, I'm suffering from this and this, and I don't have enough money to cover for my hospital bills, so I needed this amount of money and all that. So after explain like who you are, you have to come up with this what happened to you. You just have to be so emotional when you explain what really happened to you, so that a person can stay and read. So after that, you need to come to rule number three. You need to be specific. There are a lot of people, they are asking for help, but they really don't know like what are they asking for. So you need to be specific. Let's say that you want $10,000. You just have to explain there, I want $10,000. You don't have to say any amount of money will help me. You just have to say I need $10,000 and this will help me on this and this. If you mention the exact amount of money, it will really help, but also it will build trust between you and these people that are going to donate money for you. So if you're not coming with exact amount of money that you want, people will start being suspicious about you. People will not trust you, like how much you want and all that. So this is very important to be specific on how much you really want. And rule number four, you have to explain how this money that you're going to receive from this donation will help that need that you want. It can be you want this amount of money to feed the community. So you have to explain like, if you give me this amount of money, if I receive this donation, I will make sure that every kid in my street is going to be fed, is going to have good homes. So you just have to make sure that you break down all the costs that this money is going to be used to. If you do that, people are going to trust you. And the good thing is that you need to add proof. This is our rule number 5. You need to add proof. Other people, they can just come to you and tell you that they're sick, but in reality they're not sick. So it's way good for you to come up with this image that shows proof that you're sick. And if you're not sick, it can be that you are in need for school fees for your son or daughter. You just have to put this image of your daughter, or you have to put this image of your son right there, and right there, my son needs your help and all that. So if you do that, people can really trust you. So the other thing that is very important, this is very important, and I always tell people that ask me about what exactly they can do to make sure that they receive donations. So I think this one is very important. Never pressure donors. If people are not going to donate money for you, it's okay. You cannot force people to donate money for you, because everyone has their problems. So it's very important for you to be chill, to be calm, and never rush people to donate money for you. Never force people to donate money for you. If you're going to do that, people will really lose trust in you. So this one is very important for anyone who is looking to ask for financial support online. I think if you follow these rules, it's very easy for you to receive this, to receive this donation from different people around the world. But the last one is that you need to choose the right platform. It's very hard to get or to receive financial help if you're not using the right platform, because there are a lot of people that are donating money on the right platform. So you also need to have this right platform that people can come to you and see your campaign and start donating money for you. This one is very important, to come up with this right platform. And I think what I can say right now, the most trusted platform is Slingshot, but also the other website is called GoFundMe. These are very trusted platforms. The other one I can say is Fund My Travel, Indiegogo, and Go Get Funding. And these are among the most trusted platforms that you can start your campaign and people will donate money for you. So thanks so much for watching this video. I'm not guaranteeing that you can really receive this money, but I'm saying that if you're going to know these rules, it will be so easy for people to trust you and to start donating money for you. If you're not going to use these rules, it will be so hard for people to trust you, because it's very hard right now to get or to receive donation online unless someone really trusts you. So thanks so much, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.